Yesterday, blizzards and tornadoes hit several Midwest states, and now bomb cyclone conditions expected to slam the Northeast, bringing high winds, ice, and snow. Bradley Blackburn has the latest.
A powerful winter storm blanketed much of the Midwest in a blizzard Sunday, dumping snow and bringing whiteout conditions to roadways.
14-vehicle crash.
Zero visibility and ice caused accidents from Iowa to Michigan to Minnesota, where jackknifed tractor trailers lined snowy highways. The message to drivers: stay off the roads.
We actually had a semi who stopped in the traveled lane, because they're having difficulty seeing, which then caused a chain reaction accident.
In central Illinois, a suspected tornado touched down Sunday, scattering debris and damaging buildings, including some that were total losses.
We have people that are losing their homes tonight.
The system is now moving into the Northeast, hitting upstate New York and New England with freezing rain and snowfall.
Parts of New York State could see more than a foot of snow this week.